everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how to convert Excel to Word with copy and paste feature. In some cases you may want to convert the Excel file to a Word document, but there is not a converter that can help you to directly solve this task. Now I will tell you some convenient tricks to convert Excel worksheets to Word documents. The most direct and easiest way is to copy the worksheet contents in Excel, then paste them into the Word document. Open the Excel worksheet you need and select the content range you need to convert to a Word document. If you want to convert the whole worksheet, press Ctrl A keys to quickly select it, and then press the Ctrl C to copy it. I want to copy only this range, so I will press Ctrl C. Next, open a blank Word document and place the cursor at the document, and right click to open the context menu. Then select the paste type you need under the paste options section. And please note that you just can copy one selection at a time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.